Today we're looking at how to divide fractions and whole numbers. Here's a simple example. We have two wholes, and I want to divide two wholes into fourths. I have my 1 and my 2. To represent the fourths, I'm going to break each one into fourths. So I'm going to go ahead and make another whole box. Another whole box here. And I'm going to break them into halves, and I know half of a half is a fourth. Over here I'll do the same thing. Half of a box, half of a half is a fourth. And I'll go ahead and label those. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and I know 4/4 equals 1. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, another 4/4 equals another 1. So our equation, 2 wholes divided by 1/4, tells us that we have 8 parts. We have 8. We know 2 divided by 1/4 will equal 8. And if I plug that back in, I know that 8 times 1/4 equals, I'll go ahead and make my 8 a fraction, 8/1. 8 times 1 equals 8. 1 times 4 equals 4. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Let's look at another example. 1/4 divided by 2. 1/4 divided by 2. So let's make a model here for this. Make a box. Alright, that's my 1. If I take a look at 1, I want to take one whole box, and I want to now take my one whole and divide it into fourths. So I'll make another one. I'm just showing a model to show the representation here. I take my box and divide it in half. Half of a half is a fourth. Alright, so I have 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So the question is, what is 1/4 divided by 2? Well, if I make another box here, and I turn each fourth into 2 more boxes, I'll have 1, 2, turn another fourth into a half, another 2 boxes, another, I could have, if I keep counting, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to have 8 different parts. Each individual box is going to equal 1/8. 1/8 times 2 is the same as 2/1. 1 times 2 is 2. 8 times 1, 8. 2 divided by 8 equals, or reduced, equals 1/4. I know that for every 2 1/8, it's going to equal this 1/4 right here. So in class, we've been practicing how to divide whole numbers by fractions and fractions by whole numbers. And here's the model representation. Please use models to solve your problems, and use the equation as well to check your work. Good luck.